Top 5 Best Powder Coating Kit in 2025. Hi guys, are you looking for the best powder coating kit? If you received a new powder coating kit, then you're in the right place. In this video we're going to review the top 5 best powder coating kit on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best based on personal preferences, reading reviews and orders. Number 1. The OEM Powder Coating Kit is a user-friendly and feature-rich solution for DIY and professional use. It offers ease of use and setup, with clear instructions and an ergonomic spray gun design. The kit uses high-voltage electrostatic charge to attract powder to metal surfaces, ensuring even distribution and strong adhesion. It is versatile and compatible with most standard thermoset powder coatings, including epoxy, polyester, and hybrid powders. The compact and portable design of the kit makes it easy to store and transport. The system is low maintenance, with easy cleaning and color switching. The kit operates quietly and without producing excessive heat or fumes, making it a great choice for both decorative and protective finishes. It also includes grounding clips and safety features for added peace of mind during use. Number 2. The Lanyuxian PK Powder Coating Kit is a user-friendly, professional-grade powder coating solution designed for both beginners and experienced DIYers. It features an ergonomic spray gun, smooth trigger mechanism, and a complete all-in-one package including a main control unit, electrostatic spray gun, ground wire, air regulator, high-voltage power supply, fluidized powder bottle, and various nozzles and tips. This ergonomic design ensures comfort and efficiency, making long sessions less tiring. The kit also includes a high-voltage power supply, a fluidized powder bottle, and various nozzles and tips, ensuring compatibility and convenience. Number 3. The VEVOR Powder Coating Kit is a reliable and efficient powder coating system that offers power, precision, and comfort. It is lightweight, with the 750W and 950W models weighing only 19.6 and 22 pounds respectively. The high-pressure hose length ensures flexibility and mobility, making long or complex jobs less physically taxing. The kit has yearly paint capacities of 200 gallons for the 750W and 400 gallons for the 950W, allowing for sustained, high-volume output without compromise. The maximum pressure is 3000 psi, delivering consistent spray performance. The flow rate is generous, with the 750W unit pushing 1.2 lpm and the 950W offering 2.0 lpm. The kit is CE certified, ensuring safety and compliance with European standards. It is manufactured in mainland China and branded by VEVOR, showcasing the balance between affordability and high-end performance. Number 4. The VEVOR Powder Coating Kit is a reliable and user-friendly powder coating solution for professionals and hobbyists. It offers a smooth, durable finish on metal surfaces without the hazards of traditional painting methods. The kit is CE certified, ensuring it meets European health, safety, and environmental protection standards. The high-pressure gun type delivers consistent force, ensuring even application and a professional quality finish. The kit is produced by VEVOR, a trusted brand known for industrial-grade tools, bringing together quality and affordability. The ergonomically designed gun is lightweight and intuitive, making it ideal for users new to powder coating. It avoids harsh chemicals and meets stringent safety certifications, making it a comfortable option both physically and mentally. Number 5. The VEVOR Powder Coating Kit is a reliable, efficient, and comfortable powder coating system designed for both professionals and DIY users. It features a lightweight 1.1 pounds gun, ergonomic design, and a wide operating temperature range. The kit offers high-performance output with a powerful output voltage of 0-100 kV, allowing users excellent control over the coating process. Its negative polarity system ensures strong adhesion to grounded metal surfaces, resulting in smooth and durable finishes. The kit is GS certified, energy efficient, and compatible with AC 220V, 50/60 Hz power inputs. It is also eco-friendly, as it is free of high-concern chemicals, making it safe to use in. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. To get the latest product review video from this channel, stay with us.